Add intensity strength meets cardio. Hello guys, welcome to Dr. Fit Facts University. Today we are starting our new lecture for week 2. It is about adding intensity. Keep pushing yourself through the cardio intervals. The goal here is to build stamina while reinforcing good form. Before starting day 1 of week 2, please like, subscribe and share this lecture. Let's start with warm up. Do this for 5 minutes. Exercise 1. Squats. Do 3 sets with 12 reps each. Squats are a basic strength exercise that targets the lower body, especially the thighs, glutes, and calves. You perform them by lowering your body as if sitting back into a chair, then returning to a standing position. Squats benefits: strengthens legs and glutes, boosts core stability, improves balance and mobility, burns calories and aids fat loss, enhances athletic performance. Cardio 1 minute, jump rope or mountain climbers. Exercise number 2, chest press, with dumbbells or resistance bands. Do 3 sets with 12 reps each. The chest press is a strength exercise targeting the chest, shoulders, and triceps. It involves pressing weights, dumbbells, barbells, or using a machine, away from your body while lying on a bench. Chest press benefits are: builds chest strength, tones shoulders and triceps, improves upper body stability, supports better posture, boosts pushing power. Cardio 1 minute, stationary bike or shadowboxing. Exercise No. 3, lateral raises. Do 3 sets with 10 reps each. Lateral raises are a strength exercise that primarily targets the deltoid muscles in the shoulders. The movement involves raising your arms out to your sides until they are parallel to the floor, usually with dumbbells or resistance bands. Benefits: builds shoulder strength and definition, improves posture, enhances shoulder stability, helps with upper body symmetry, supports lifting and overhead movements. Lateral raises are great for sculpting well-rounded shoulders. Cardio 1 minute, running in place. Exercise number 4, leg raises and bicycle crunches superset. Do 3 sets with 12 reps each. A superset combines 2 exercises done back to back. In this case, leg raises targets the lower abs by lifting and lowering your legs. Bicycle crunches works the upper abs and obliques with a cycling motion. Benefits: strengthens the entire core, improves stability and posture, boosts calorie burn and endurance, enhances lower back and hip flexor strength. This superset is great for building a strong, defined core. Congratulations! We have completed all exercises for today. Now repeat these exercises for the entire week. The next video will be for the 3rd week, which will be uploaded soon. Please like, subscribe, and share your suggestions in comments for our betterment. Thank you. Add intensity strength meets cardio. Hello guys, welcome to Dr. Fit Facts University.